W is for the world so wide, where the wonders of life we can't hide. From the whales in the deep to the winds that fly, brings the magic up to the sky. W says, W says, look at the watch, it tells me time, you see. Tick-tock goes the clock, on my wrist it stays. W is for watch, let's start our fun-filled days. W says, W swim with the whales, so big in the deep blue sea. Splashing through waves, it's a giant friend to meet. W is for whales, swimming gracefully. Says W, yummy watermelon, oh what a treat for me. Red and juicy seeds all lined up neat. W is for watermelon, summer's favorite treat. W says, W, let's do the wiggle, dance like we're wild and free. Shake your arms, shake your toes, move side to side. Whistle, wiggle, feel that happy vibe inside. W says, W, peek out the window, what will I see today? Birds flying high or cars driving by. Is for window where sunshine loves to stay. W, spinning her web, the spider works hard and deep. Criss, tight, catching tiny flies. W is for web, an amazing work to please. W says, W words that start with W are easy to view. From watches to whales, watermelons too. Learning letter W is fun, it's true. W says, feel the cool wind, it whispers as it moves through, blowing your hair, rustling leaves in the trees. Is for wind, dancing with such ease. Says, wiggle little worm, squirming under the ground, helping plants grow, making soil nice and soft. Is for work, nature's helper along. Pull the red wagon, let's take a ride today. Load it with toys and snacks for a picnic tree. Is for walking, running down the street. Clap your wings, pretend you're flying high above, like birds in the sky or butterflies so free. Wistful wings soaring happily. Says, a friendly witch flies by on her broom at night, with a pointy hat and a cat by her side. Is for witch, casting spells with delight. Like a wolf, hear its call echo wide. In the forest deep, where shadows playing high. Is for wolf, running wild and free inside. safe and sound. Words that start with W are easy to view. From watches to whales, watermelons too. Learning letters is fun, it's true. It's for the world so wide, where the wonders of life we can't hide from the whales in the deep. We wish for a world so wide, where the wonders of life